Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get TradingView in Zerodha. First, understand that Zerodha's Kite platform already integrates TradingView charts directly, offering them for free. By default, Kite uses ChartIQ, but you can easily switch to TradingView within your profile settings. This integration provides you with advanced charting tools and real-time data, significantly enhancing your technical analysis capabilities for better trading decisions. To enable TradingView, simply log in to your Zerodha Kite account, whether on the web or through the mobile app. Once logged in, find your profile or settings section, usually located in the top or bottom right corner. Scroll down until you see the chart option. Here, you can select TradingView as your preferred charting platform. After this quick change, all your charts will automatically load using the TradingView interface. Once TradingView is active, you can explore its robust features. It offers over 100 indicators, more than 15 different chart types, and over 30 drawing tools for in-depth technical analysis. You can also set up multi-timeframe charts to view different periods simultaneously, which is great for intraday trading. A powerful feature is Trade from Charts, allowing you to place market or limit orders directly from your chart, streamlining your workflow. For advanced users, TradingView in Zerodha Kite allows you to save custom chart layouts and indicator templates, saving you valuable time. You can also use shortcut keys for quick order placement, like Shift+B for buy orders. Creating price alerts directly from the chart ensures you never miss a crucial market movement. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot and other great deals. These customizations help tailor your trading experience for maximum efficiency and comfort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.